Hey you guys, and welcome to my channel. And in this video I'll show you how to make this wooden cross, but I'll make you 3 different versions of it. Right, we've got the simple version, we've got a version where we play around with some router bits, there's a ton of options here, and we've got a version where we put together a few different kinds of wood. The base material for this is 25 by 20 mil, or in inches, 1 inch by 3/4 of an inch. We'll start off with a version that needs to be glued. In the center I've got teak, and on the outer side I've got oak. The dimension of these, the outer parts are 6 mil and the center part is 13 mil. In inches, the outer piece are 1/4 of an inch and the center part is 2/4 of an inch. No, that would be half an inch. Stupid Europeans. It doesn't know how to do fractions. I'm sorry about that, guys. Anyway, let's plane these down so we can start the first glue up. Now I've got everything I need for the 3 versions. I just need to clean these up before we start cutting. To cut the pieces out for the cross, you can use a drop saw or circular saw. Oh, and all the measurements are listed here below. If you do want to bring some plans to the workshop, you can go to my SD page where you will find all 3 versions. And of course, they're all in millimeters and in inches. For the version where I use my router, I'll use a bit with a 45-degree cut, something like this. This would give the wooden cross a different kind of look. All the pieces have been cut and I just want to do a dry assembly before I move on. Now to get the weave effect on the wooden cross, I need to make some small cuts on a 45-degree angle. And I'll do that on my circular saw. But first I need to mark every single piece so I know where to cut. So one here, here, here. The gluing is a bit of a process. Now I'll show you how I would do it. First step is to glue all of these together. And when that is done, I'll take this part, glue it on to here. Then I'll take this part, glue it on to here. Then the big piece, glue it on to here. And the final piece, I'll put in like this, and we're done. Let me show you. I'll use standard Titebond 2 and some CA glue. I'll do a small square and then put the CA glue in the middle, like this. Press it up against here, and simply just move them together. Press and hold. I'll just let the glue dry a bit for 10 minutes before I glue on the last piece. And we'll let that dry up before we move on to the next step. And we're all done. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please do hit that subscribe button.